Have you ever bought a plant, brought it home, and just a few days later, it starts to droop, turn yellow and die? You watered it. You gave it light. So what went wrong? Let's fix this once and for all, before your next plant suffers the same fate. Hey plant friend, welcome back to the channel. If you love your plants and want them to thrive, it would be amazing if you hit that subscribe, just for our plant family. Here's the truth. Most store-bought plants are already stressed before you even bring them home. They've been shipped in boxes, kept in dark trucks, and then placed under bright store lights for days. If this makes sense, give this video a tiny like, just to show your plant love. When you take the plant home, it suddenly faces a completely new environment. Different light, temperature, humidity, and watering routine. It's like moving someone from a sunny beach to a cold mountain overnight. So don't rush to repot it right away. Give it time, at least 2 to 3 weeks, to adjust before making any changes. Here's a simple plan to keep it alive. 1. Place it in bright indirect light. Avoid harsh sun at first, to keep the soil slightly moist, not soggy. 3. Avoid fertilizing for the first few weeks. I'm curious, but don't change the pot or soil yet. Stability helps it recover. Once you see new growth, your plant is happy again, and let it flourish. Then you can repot feed. When you bring a plant home, check the roots right away. If you see they're root bound or tangled, gently prune them before planting in a new pot. This will help your plant grow strong and healthy. Make sure the new pot has drainage holes. That way the water can escape, and your plant won't get waterlogged. A healthy root system is key for your plant's survival. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. How many plants have you lost after bringing them home? Share your story in the comments. And may all your plants stay green, healthy, and full of life.